Today I'm going to show you how to clean out the lightning port on your iPhone. So have you ever had a cable that doesn't sit properly and has a little wobble and won't charge? Chances are your lightning port needs to be cleaned out, especially if you carry your phone in your front pocket. So I'm going to get a toothpick and just gently get in there and just want to move real slow. You want to make sure you get down in there. But I just go back and forth, but I don't want to move it too hard and put very much pressure on it. That looks about all I'm gonna get out of it. Anyways, it seats a lot better, and that will fix your issue. Thank you for watching.